Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for TinkerHUNT 30, so let's get cracking. Friends, of course, I am starting on my website, HLModTech.com. If you scroll down, you will be able to find all of the TinkerHUNTs, including TinkerHUNT 30. You will also be able to find a link in the description of this video. Now, friends, this is a Tinkercad scavenger hunt. There are 5 items hidden every week. If you find the 5 items and you add it as a reply or in my Google Classroom or using the messaging tool on my website or even by visiting the Tinkercad community Discord, I will give you a shout out in next week's project and video. So you can see here, Ken, Ryu, and Vicky all have streaks of 5, and Nathaniel also solved TinkerHUNT 29. Thank you all for participating and good luck this week. Now when you're searching, friends, you are looking for these 5 characters: a pumpkin, a rocket, Blanky, the celebrating kid, and the unicorn dude. They're all super tiny and they're hidden all throughout the project. You can get to the project by hitting copy and tinker, and then if you've never used Tinkercad before, using sign in as Google. Friends, when the design loads, you'll be working on a copy, so you can click on anything, you can delete it, you can hide it, search for all those 5 little pieces. There are notes over here. If we hit home, you can see this explains the entire process, but I'm going to do it quickly for you as well. Click on any item and hit F to zoom in and look around. If you right click, you can orbit. You can also use this cool little cube. If you hit home, you'll slip back out to the big view. To search inside a house, like say house number 2, notice these are numbered. I'm going to hit F for fit. You can check out this room quickly by using that right click orbit. Notice I also hide things in. Right there I hit delete. You can also hit T for transparent to look in them. If you do choose to hide things, you can bring them all back with that button right there. Of course, the things I deleted actually stay hidden. Friends, of course, I'm looking forward to seeing who wins. If you get stuck looking for a part, don't forget you can visit the Tinkercad community Discord and ask for help as you're hunting. Once again, congratulations to last week's winners, and friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.